So the DNA has been collected from the principal, according to MDN News. I just saw that Police Minister Mr. Mchunu said the DNA has been collected from the principal and two other suspects in this case. Yaga Kwekwe. That's all we wanted. Nobody was trying to destroy the man's life. It was suspicious that as a principal, instead of aiding the police and Kwekwe's mother to discovering when and how and who raped her child, the principal decided to expel the child from school and then go and run behind Afroforum and refuse to give his DNA. So the DNA has been taken. So if you are exempted, you go forward. But we're not going to stop until Ukwekwe gets justice, which means that every man that came across her that week, if they have to be tested, they will be tested, black, white, or Indian, or colored, whatever race, until we get justice for this child. Nobody was trying to make you look bad. You made yourself look bad. If I hear there's a crime and they say they want my DNA and I know that I didn't do it, I'm going to give them the DNA unless I did it or I'm hiding from something else. Justice for Ukwekwe. We will not rest until Ukwekwe gets her justice.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. My DNA a principal wala partner at Bergview College sakathethwe, and people are fearing ukuthi ngazuthi kuto ayendwa mkhuba ngawo lama results egcine sekwenta katondolo kungamili kutendeke like sekuthiwe nguye kana kusuye sekuthiwa kusuye kani nguye. So people are hoping ukuthi those DNA won't be tampered with ayoba afike njengoba njalo, and people say they want justice for Ukwekwe, right? Deserve justice. If ukuthi kufuna kutestwe ama-DNA abo bonke labahlangane naye that week, amanye bateste Indian imlungu abateste bonke. As long as Ukwekwe will get the justice she deserves. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. So goodbye.